Look, who doesn't love a chicken nugget? But nobody likes to pay for mystery ingredients. So we're making homemade chicken nuggets where the main ingredient is chicken. These chicken nuggets are just made with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm just gonna take a couple and then just cut them up into bite-sized nuggets. Yes, these are gonna be healthier because they can come together in the oven and they're still gonna get crispy. I know you're gonna ask, they can also be made in the air fryer. We're gonna follow the same recipe, you're just gonna cut the thyme in half. All right, my coating is gonna be super flavorful. I'm using seasoned breadcrumbs along with some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of dried basil and thyme, and some salt. Use this recipe as a guide. You can flavor this however you want. You can make some spicy chicken nuggets, add in some cayenne pepper, leave out the seasonings if you want them super plain. Make it your own. To coat them, I'm just gonna dip the chicken nugget in melted butter and then straight to our breadcrumb mixture. I'm gonna lightly grease a baking pan and then just lay them out in a single layer. These are hearty sized nuggets, but my kids are older, so if you have smaller kids, you can make this more of a popcorn sized chicken. My kids are gonna be like,
Mom, you're so cheap.
Like they'd really just rather go through the drive-thru, but I am who I am.
Can I go with my friends to Panera to get just some broccoli cheese soup and a drink? Can you just put like $12 on my card?
For soup and a drink? No, not when I've got dinner right here. With this recipe, I can get at least a couple dozen chicken nuggets for less than 10 bucks. You won't find that in a drive-thru or the freezer section. This just goes into the oven 400 degrees for about 20 minutes until they're good and crispy. Let's be real, they're gonna be better in the air fryer. I'm putting batch 2 in the air fryer. I just can't help myself. I know they're gonna be crispier. Another thing is you can do it at the same temperature, 400, for half the amount of time. Sizzly, golden, they smell amazing. Let's check our air fryer. Now those look like fried chicken nuggets. They both look good. They both get crispy, but on the oven, you might wanna flip them because one side gets crispier than the other. If you made these as a meal prep, you could reheat them in the air fryer in no time and they'll get crispy all over. The ones in the air fryer, go ahead and get crispy all around. Let me taste our oven version first. Real chicken inside. The flavor is delicious. They're salty, they're crunchy. These are really good. The air fryer version. If you have an air fryer, this is a great time to use it. These are perfect. And my kids are gonna love it when I say no. We've got chicken at home. A little ketchup to round it out. Whether you're a kid or an adult, these homemade chicken nuggets are bomb. These are gonna be healthier because they're baked in the oven. Yes, they're still gonna get crispy, and yes, there's some noise.